Hey there, Escambia County teachers, and welcome to Focus version 11, Taking Attendance. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take attendance from the list view as well as the seating chart. Starting from your home screen, you're going to click Take Attendance. And from this screen, you're going to see that it brings you to the list view, which is the traditional way for taking attendance in Focus. But you also have the option of taking attendance from the seating chart. In the top right hand corner, if you click seating chart, it's going to take you to this screen. Now, if you don't have a seating chart already set up, please check out our video on creating seating charts in order to learn how to do that. But from here, you'll see that it's defaulted to present, and that's the same look that you're going to see in the list view. Over on this right hand side, you see present, quarantine, and unexcused. You may also see tardy and tardy unexcused. You can go back to the list view at any time by clicking list. From here, you can mark unexcused, you can mark quarantine, or if your screen has the option, you can mark tardy excused or tardy unexcused. So I'm going to make some changes to the screen, and then I'm going to click save. Once I've done that, I get my green check mark saying that I have taken attendance for today. If I'm not finished, or if I need to make changes, I can click this button at the top. Click if you're not finished. When I do that, it's going to allow me to make changes. And then I click save, and those changes are reflected here. If I go back to my seating chart view, I can see where I've marked attendance from the list view. If I want to change something from this, I can easily click present, and then click to change the student's attendance. I always want to click save, and those changes are reflected. A trick for seating chart is it's one click and then one click. It's not a traditional click and drag. And that's how easy it is to mark attendance from Focus version 11.
And that's another Byte of Tech. Thanks for joining us. Check out the video description below for additional resources and to fill out that comment card for future video requests. We're here to create content for you. And subscribe so you don't miss our new videos every Tuesday.